wants to go to Pedal Up, today is the last day. Dito sila sa Sunken Garden. Yan, sa mismong sentro. Yan. Bago kayo pumasok, bumili kayong ticket. Supporta lang tayo, Pedal Up. Ako hindi ako nagpalibre. Bumili ako ng ticket. So dyan kayo pupunta sa registration. Although may mga sources tayo na libre, but you know, to support the cycling industry, bumili tayo ng ticket. Mahirap din kasi mag-organize ng ganito. Minsan lugi ka pa. So better to help the organizers. Diba? Ayan o. Hey, my man, Ken. Hey. Nice. Sir, dun po. Eto. 100 pesos. Right. So, yan yung mga bike demo. Kung gusto mong matest lahat ng bike na gusto mo dyan. Bike demo. Ay, so, pasok na tayo.
Gravel riders, check this out. Meron tayong bagong style para sa saddles. More comfortable.
So pagpasok mo dito, immediately you'll be seeing a lot of bicycle and accessories. Ito nga TCG nasa una kaagad. On my left side, we have the KTM. We have the Shimano here, Neo Sigma. Ako, dapat may dala kayong era dito. Budol to, budol. Everything is in sale here, so get ready. Wala kayo masyadong mabudol.
Wala sila yung 29. Iisipin natin sa guys. Mario!
Quick browsing lang tayo guys, mainit kasi. So hindi tayo masyado magtatagal. Abus. Insta 360.
Gab! 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 Philippine Looper.
Gusto kasi ngayon natin yung sabi nilang Danis.
This is a setup for a Philippine Looper. Philippine Loop.
Actually, we have one there.
So it's a fun bike, it's a trick bike.
It's the model is DCM. In short, is Down Country Fun.
Okay.
Hindi na pala gumagamit ng loop breaker.
Yes.
Oy.
Chris.
Actually, if you have one loop breaker,
Yeah, my man. Ayos.
it's a limited edition. Wala siyang masyado.
It kind of makes your hand.
Last day today. So, if you want to see yung idol natin sa Ian Howe, nandito siya sa Trucks na booth.
Answer the right questions.
Siyempre, supporta natin kaibigan natin. Ian Sarmiento, shout out.
Come on down here on
Yan, sa Trucks.
beautiful.
Ito, kaibigan natin si Boss Ian. Yan.
The right.
Bili lang kayo dito, ang dami nilang mga jersey, t-shirt, ayan o. Yung original na sarap mag-bike.
Anything else? Mr. Duke Breaker Arafat?
Oh, cute.
Already na pala.
Young biker.
So that the
sure that we have speakers not just here on stage.
Okay, so now we are here in CCN.
Actually, we have built
Grabe, ang ganda rin ng mga jersey dito.
Kailan din nilabas to?
this expo lang.
Oh, first time see the light of the day of the sun. First time makakita ng mga cyclista itong frame na to.
May napatid kami sa booth. Then we have also, for this Courseway for gravel bike, we have also the prototype siya.
Wow, you have a gravel bike as well.
Preparing for, I think,
Getting
hopefully
ready.
for July
7. The coats are gravel.
Releasing that one.
So wala pang
Bro.
nakakasagot. Wala pang nakakasagot yun. Pero
Nice.
magiting.
Good morning!
Hey,
Apex.
tak represent.
Is it? No, it is not. Thank you for your kind suggestion.
Uy.
But that is not the name, but good suggestion. Thank you very much for participating.
Ayos.
Dilibot-libot ah.
Oo, libot-libot lang.
Do you know the answer?
Just biker yun, guys.
Really? What? No, I thought you said yes.
Let's go to the...
Thank you very much for coming as a couple. Nice outfits, guys.
So maybe we can,
Wala, okay. What is the answer?
it's a DCF,
DCF, which means
Down Country Fun.
Down Country Fun. Yun ang pangalan ng friend niya. DCF, Down Country. Next question,
Talaga,
please.
pero
The
stick
next
naman tong
question is-
event na to.
Anong
Kung mahilig ka sa
model
bike,
yung
don't mind the
hawak
heat.
niyo?
Eh, dito ka na,
Anong
punta ka na
model
dito.
ng saddle ni Pam?
Last day ngayon hanggang 5 p.m. Pero you want to know the trick. The trick is go here na afternoon. Marami na sobrang sale dito.
Anong
that's
model
the
ang
thing.
saddle na to? If you can answer that, we're gonna give you a nice Doom Breaker shirt. You see, you know what's nice? A Filipino designed this. And this Filipino is right in front of you right now. Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! Oh, there you go! This guy knows how to use the Google. Ang galing mo talaga! EJ, the answer is...
Ang work. Mr. C. Masarap lang talaga pagka low profile ka. Hindi ka masyado napapansin. So you can go around. Continental. Oh, nakaikot na tayo. Ang bilis din naman, madali lang naman maikutan lahat.
Ay, sa tayo sa lingga.
Si Ronnie, oh. Ano talaga, sarap talaga mag Batman suit eh. Daming fans eh, oh.
Master!
Hey, man!
Good morning and congratulations, Master.
Oy, nice.
Master, oh, papalit ka na, Master.
Oo nga eh. Hey! So we are here in CNC, Manila. This is hand-built, no? Carbon, fiber, wheel set. Yan. Sir, a little trivia lang. Anong pinakamagaan natin na wheel set?
Pinakamagaan natin na available. Ito po, ito yung ating CNC Revolution Series. Carbon spokes po siya and ceramic bearing hubs.
Ceramic
This
yan.
particular set, sir, if I remember correctly, nasa 1,340 grams po siya.
Wow!
For the pair.
1,340
This
lang.
is
oh.
best for road racing, hill climbing, Tsaka pwede po siya pang ano, pang trail, pang gravel rather. Pero light lang, light gravel because it's ano, it's carbon. Kasi ang mahirap nito pag nasabitan halimbawa ng mga small branches, halimbawa any carbon spoke na pag nasabitan, madali siyang maputol.
Okay, so ito ano to, pillar ba to?
No,
Or
this is carbon.
carbon din?
Carbon.
Wow! Magkano naman more or less yan, sir?
Ito pong particular pair na to is 50,000 po.
Uy, pwede na ha? It's not that expensive.
And it's hand-built in Manila po. Gawa talaga.
Tama na, oh. Tutulong pa tayo. Hand-built in Manila. Ganun nun. O, ito na lang bilhin natin. Teka ha.
Sige po.
Ay, oo nga. Madami na ako nahawakan na wheelset. Magaan to. Nice. Medyo patunugin nga natin, master. Para marinig nila yung ceramic. Ayan ang ceramic. Ayan ang tunog. Diba? Hindi siya tunog mayaman. Tunog siyang pleasing sa tenga. Ayan. Alright. Eloy.
So, patry din natin kay Roby. Kuning spray siya. Tingnan mo kung malamig mamaya. Sabihan mo. Meron po.
Okay guys, so meron sariling booth dito si Eloy. Ayan, pinagkakaguluhan. Tignan natin. Last day na ngayon eh. So hanggang 5 PM. So he's selling some shirt, jerseys, I think. And accessories. Ayan. Ito tayo sa ano. Alam mo naman may tayo sa gilid. Ayan si Eloy. Ayan siya, di ba? O yun yung live. Ayan, live. Ito yun. Ayan, live.
Alright.
Alright, man. That's it. Alright, meron dito Elite News.
Ito sir, may sagot siya 32. Pati! Sabi ko siya, kontakin mo ako eh.
Alright guys, so I buy something here from Deuter. This is a German brand. So if you want to secure yung mga things ninyo, you can buy this. Or this one. Neo belt. So I choose to buy this one kasi kasya yung dalawang cellphone. Ito medyo alanganin yung cellphone eh. So I can insert it inside my jersey. Yan. Deuter. German brand. They have also some bags also for if you are into gravel. Ano. Meron din sila.